Hey guys, so we got a box spring mattress. We're trying to get it in the house, guys, and it just will not fit through the door. You know how box spring mattresses can be? This is a queen size mattress. What me and Ryan are gonna do, guys, is we're gonna convert this mattress in about 5 minutes so it can fit through any door. Let's get into it right away.
Taking care of business as always. Let's see if we can solve the problem.
Okay guys, so there's different types of mattresses. This one actually has metal up here on top. So this makes it harder, but this will work with pure wood or wood with metal. Okay, let's flip it over. We'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside.
You sure it's gonna work?
Oh yeah, it'll work, buddy. It will work. Let's do this. Okay guys, so we got it flipped over. So see what I mean about metal. So this is a metal type of box spring, which does make this a little bit harder. But we're gonna make this work, guys.
You know what, man? I just don't see it being possible. I just can't see it.
Okay guys, so my plan is to make this kind of foldable to get through the tight space that we have to go through. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is see, I'm gonna cut this piece of wood right here like this, just like that, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here, guys, just like that. We're gonna have to cut all the wood, guys. See these little staples here? You might have to unstaple some of it, see? And pull some of the fabric back so you don't rip the fabric. So I'm gonna get like some needle nose pliers. Me and Ryan are gonna pull just a section of staples out right here, and we're also gonna pull out a section of staples right here. That's what we're gonna do right now. Pretty straightforward. Anybody can do it. Okay, it is about 3 minutes later, maybe 5 minutes later. Look what we did. See, we took off that much on this side, just removed the staples, and on this side we did the exact same thing, just like that.
Yanked them right off.
We sure diddly did.
Like a tooth.
Okay guys, so now see, I got a Sawzall.
Ooh, I'm standing back.
Just like that. And if you had a just pure wooden box spring, the step would be the same. You would just have to cut it all the way through, right? Got my hand there right to the bottom, but in our case, we're only cutting this little part here. All right, let's do this.
Taking care of business as always.
All right, one down. So we're gonna cut. You getting the cut? We're gonna cut this.
You guys see that?
Yeah, we're gonna cut all of them. So nothing to it.
Everywhere there's a permanent marker, guys.
Boom! Okay guys, so now you just move this fabric over, and guess what? Look at the flex on this. This flex will allow it to fit
What the heck?
through doors. Get
Oh
it?
my God, no way.
Okay.
Look at that. Do that one more time.
Okay, let's go try getting it in the house. Okay, and remember guys, we tried getting this in, and no matter what we tried, we could not get it in. It would not fit. And also, don't worry, we are gonna put it back together, so it's not gonna be like this permanently. It will be, you can reverse it and make it just the way it was originally. Okay guys, so this is the weird door. We're having a hard time getting it in. Well, it was impossible. It just, from that corner to that corner, it just wouldn't fit. I'm gonna set up the camera down there so you can see how this works now.
I know. I think we're getting somewhere, guys. Taking care of business. As always, problem solved. Oh, no way, was that easy? You know what? I'm gonna tell you guys right now something about my friend Tom here. He has a way of making things look easy, and I don't really understand how or why, but I told him something like this is impossible. Tom comes along and impossible. We got that light bulb there. Where he's
I went on screw the light bulb.
Genius.
That's the tightest space ever for a box.
Holy crap,
Clean box spring.
I can't believe you did it.
Anyways, guys, we did it. Okay, we're gonna bring it in and we'll show you guys how to put it back together. Okay.
Don't say anything's impossible.
Okay, now that we got it in, all we gotta do is this metal stuff, right? Gotta bend it all back, just the way it was. Really nothing to it. You boom, just like that. You put your hand on it, bends right back. It's metal. There's no problem. Do that to the other side too. And we're golden. There, how's that? Not bad. Okay guys, so now ideally you would go to a lumber store, buy like 2 or 3 2x4s. We don't have any, we just got some scrap 1x1s, some old 2x4, another old 2x4, and a 2x4. So we're just gonna cut like 1 foot sections out of these, pretty straightforward. 1 foot sections, we're gonna get enough for each piece of wood, pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna grab my saw and we're gonna cut it up and get them ready off camera, pretty straightforward. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna take our 2x4, right? And what you wanna do is you wanna slide it under here, see, like this. To reinforce this back together, see, just like that. The only thing you gotta do though is, see there's a drill bit in here. You wanna pre-drill a couple holes because this skinny wood here is just gonna crack if you put a deck screw through it. You pre-drill like 2 holes on one side. Okay, we pre-drilled our holes. Okay, so you grab your deck screw, right? The other one wasn't long enough. Just like that. Can you see that board going under here, Ryan? See it? You put the board nice and flush. See? You're gonna put a deck screw there, put this back together. Nothing to it, right? Okay, right, and then 1 on this side. Well, first you want to put 2 on this side. Right, now all we're gonna do is pull this up like this, put 2 in there. Okay, and then so you put this in, pull this like that. One more over here. Okay, and then you grab your fabric, right? Put it back just the way it was. You got that staple gun, Ryan?
I sure do.
All right, well, let's go get it. Right, so you grab your fabric, grab your staple gun. And guess what? That is done. So now what you're gonna do is every single one of these, right? You're gonna grab. Okay, so now you're gonna grab more boards, right? 1x1s, whatever. You're gonna take them, see right here? You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna put them under, like so. Drill your holes. Put your deck screws through, and you're gonna do that here, there, right to the end, staple the end, and guess what? You're done. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna show you guys what this looks like in about 5 minutes.
Well, job's done and looking pretty good. Not like you're gonna see underneath anyways, and I think this thing's stronger than before. Thanks, buddy.